Bonjour à tous, hi everyone and welcome to Learn French with Vincent. This is Unité 2, leçon O. And in this lesson we'll just focus on a short thing but quite useful, les présentations. Okay, so the first thing when you meet someone and you want to know the name of this person, well, that's the common question or the normal question that you will have to use. Comment, so how, vous appelez-vous? Okay, we've been seeing in Unit 1, if my memory is correct, the verb s'appeler, so to call oneself. Okay, when you introduce yourself, you use this s'appeler verb. Okay, so that's the reason why it will look this way. Comment vous appelez-vous? Okay, so comment vous appelez-vous? So what's your name? How are you calling yourself? If you want a direct translation, but it sounds a bit strange in English, but then that's the question. Comment vous appelez-vous? All right. The other possibility that we've got is to keep the normal order. So, vous vous appelez, and then we put this comment thing at the end of the question. Okay. So, in that case, remember to raise your voice at the end. Vous vous appelez comment? Vous vous appelez comment? Okay. So, it is exactly the same question. Okay, it is a bit less formal, this second option, okay, because the first one is the classic option that we've got. We start with how and then we change the order, we put the subject after the verb, okay, but then it is more, completely correct to ask a question like that. Vous vous appelez comment? Okay, and then the other possibility would be quel est votre nom? What is your, votre nom, name? What is your name? Quel est votre nom? Quel est votre nom? Raise a little bit. Quel est votre nom? Okay, so let's see them one more time. Comment vous appelez-vous? Vous vous appelez comment? Quel est votre nom? All right. In the first example, we've been using this vous form, so the polite form that normally we should use when we meet a person for the first time, okay? But then let's be frank that if you're young and if you're meeting other young persons, then you can use this tu form, so the less formal way, okay? So the question will look like that. Comment tu t'appelles? Comment tu t'appelles? Okay? Or then same option that we've got. Tu t'appelles comment? So you put this comment at the end, okay? Don't forget to raise your voice because it's a beautiful question here. Tu t'appelles comment? Tu t'appelles comment? And then, quel est ton nom? What is your name? Quel est ton nom? Or other options. So I've been putting this option for this tu, okay, you, the less formal one, and not for the vous, because it is quite spoken this way. C'est quoi ton nom? Well, if you want to translate it directly, it's what your name, okay? It looks really, or it sounds really strange in English, but still it's possible in French. It is not formal at all, of course, okay? So don't use that if it's quite important or if the situation is quite formal, okay? C'est quoi ton nom? C'est quoi ton nom? Okay, and then if you want to, well, present yourself, then remember we're using this appeler, s'appeler, okay, to call oneself, okay. Je m'appelle Vincent Lefrançois. Je m'appelle Vincent Lefrançois. Okay, I call myself Vincent Lefrançois, all right? But then that's the way we use to present ourselves. Okay. Other option would be to use, not to use this s'appeler to call oneself, but to use to be, which is totally possible. Je suis Vincent Lefrançois. Je suis Vincent Lefrançois. I am, okay. Je suis Vincent Lefrançois. And then, third option, mon nom, my name, okay. Mon nom is, mon nom est Vincent Lefrançois. Mon nom est Vincent Lefrançois. Okay, so let's see them one more time. Je m'appelle Vincent Lefrançois. Je suis Vincent Lefrançois. Mon nom est Vincent Lefrançois. Okay, so now you can present yourself or ask the name of someone. It was Leçon O. You can find the next lesson at the following address, youtube.com/imagier, or then the website is here. You can find more material. Have a great day. Bye-bye.